हाय गाइस, आई एम डॉक्टर रजत और मेरे साथ हैं इस समय डॉक्टर मोहसिना जो बैंगलोर से हैं और बैंगलोर में प्रैक्टिस करती हैं एंड शी स्पेंट 4 days here and she just completed her oral surgery training program. So congratulations Dr. Mohsina, such an incredible 4 days went like 4 hours. So I think I had a pleasure of you being here at the institute. What do you have to say?
Yes, I've come for a short-term course with Dr. Rajat Sachdev. The course was quite challenging and very interesting, and you get to do a lot of hands-on and work on patients. Thank you so much, Dr. Rajat.
Pleasure. You knew more than a lot of other students who come for the training program. So I would just like to know that your basics for oral surgery were very, very strong, and that is why you could do the surgeries pretty well and flawless. So where did you learn all that?
I graduated from MS Ramaiah Dental College, and after that I have been practicing. Because of that, since I had a base of clinical exposure working on patients, I could easily grasp, and plus with the help of Dr. Rajat, I could master it.
So because your basics were good and very, very strong, that is why she was able to do a lot of cases. We did a lot many challenging cases, horizontal impactions, mesioangular, distoangular, very, very challenging cases. A lot of experience gets into it once you do it. So I like the whole course. It was quite intense, and she was very lucky. She got some really good cases, and I am very, very confident that she's going to be really doing very well. So what are your future plans? What are your future goals?
Whatever I have learned from here, I have to just imply it, use it in my day-to-day work, and yes.
So, and what are your challenges too when it comes to dentistry?
Dentistry, yes. Keep updating myself with new courses, new changes in dentistry, and
okay, and how is
new things?
Yes, learn new things. That is the way. And last but not the least, how is it working here at the institute? How did you like the whole staff, and how did you like the whole scenario of the course?
The staff and the supporting staff, they're very, very cooperative and friendly, very helpful. So I would suggest everybody to get in touch with Dr. Rajat Sachdev.
And I think really you made the most out of it because you did really well. And I think it was not easy to execute those cases and get the success out of it. All the cases that you did were successful, and I just hope that whatever days you spent here will be fruitful for you in your practice, and I'm very, very confident about that. And anything you want to say to the students who are watching, the graduates, the postgraduates, and the clinicians who want to do a course and they are still thinking to join a course, anything you have to say to them, because there are many clinicians who are watching you right now.
Okay, Dr. Rajat Sachdev had multiple courses option based on your need and based on your experience, what you lack, you can go through Dr. Rajat's website, and definitely you'll find anything which you lack. You would definitely find any of the courses fruitful and useful to you. So definitely get in touch with Dr. Rajat Sachdev.
Another thing, ये उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये सोचते हैं कि डेंटिस्ट्री सिर्फ साइंस है और हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेशेंट करके हम सक्सेस पा सकते हैं, उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जो अभी भी यही सोच रहे हैं कि हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल कर लें और हमें आराम से सक्सेस मिल जाएगी. बहुत सारे आते हैं कि हमें सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल आता है, हमने सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल पता है, और जब थ्योरी पूछते हैं उसके तो डब्बे गोल होते हैं. तो उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
No, it's goes hand in hand. Only if you have the theoretical knowledge, that is what you can
basics, yes,
on your practical aspect. So just having theoretical is also not enough. Both should go hand in hand, and keep on practicing. Whether if you are a BDS or MDS, keep on practicing.
Update करना पड़ेगा. You have to read. That is a very, very important point. Make it a habit of reading every day, and you see your dentistry will change drastically. I was very, very happy with her performance, and I feel that जब मोहसिना जैसे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं मेरे पास तो मुझे और मज़ा आता है कोर्स कराने में. और it was काफ़ी इंटेंस, काफ़ी अच्छी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ हमने कोर्स किया. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़, हमारे पेशेंट्स का धन्यवाद करूँगा. आई हैव टू रियली थैंक माई पेशेंट्स हु आर वेरी, वेरी सपोर्टिव. और आई जस्ट होप जो भी हमने केसेस किए इनकी जर्नी में वो फ्रूटफुल होंगे. So Masina, all the best and thanks a lot for your honest feedback. Means a lot.
So much.
Thank you.